In the previous video, we learnt addition and subtraction of integers. Today, we are going to learn multiplication of integers. Now, before learning multiplication of integers, we learn the rules of multiplication of integers. Already, you have learnt in 6th standard, but still we go through the multiplication of integers. Rules of multiplication of integers. First rule, the product of two positive integer. Positive symbol is given in the bracket. Yes. The product of two positive integer is a positive integer. That is positive into positive is equal to positive. In short, I had given you in 6th standard plus into plus is equal to plus. This is the first rule. That is the product of two positive integer is a positive integer. Plus into plus equal to plus. Or positive into positive is equal to positive. Now, second rule is that the product of one positive integer and one negative integer is a negative integer. So, that means positive into negative is negative. Or negative into positive is negative only. That in short you have learned plus into minus is equal to minus or minus into plus is equal to minus. That is product of one positive and one negative integer is a negative integer. We go to the third rule. The product of two negative integer is positive integer. Product of two negative integer, that is negative into negative is equal to positive or minus into minus is equal to plus. You have learned this in 6th standard. Minus into minus is equal to plus. So we have got this three rules of multiplication of integers. Now we'll go through some multiplication, multiply the integers, some examples. For example, first, plus according to first rule, two positive integers. Like suppose plus 2 into plus 5 is equal to. Now, plus into plus is equal to plus. 2 5s are 10. Second example, plus 7 into plus 2. It is equal to plus into plus plus. 7 2s are 40. The answer is plus 40. According to second rule, product of one positive and one negative. Plus 4 into minus 2 is equal to as. Plus into minus is minus. 4 2s are 8. Fourth example, minus 5 into plus 3. Minus into plus is minus. 5 3s are 15. Example 5, minus 4 into plus 6. Minus into plus is minus. 4 6 are 24. Example 6, plus 8 into minus 3. Plus into minus is minus. 8 3s are 24. Now, we'll go with the third example. The product of two negative integer is positive integer. That is minus into minus is equal to plus. Minus into minus equal to plus. So, minus 4 into minus 1 suppose. Minus into minus is plus. 4 1s are 4. Minus 10 into minus 6. Minus into minus equal to plus. 10 6 is 60. Example 9, minus 2 into minus 11. Minus into minus plus. 11 twos is 22. Now some of your examples. Suppose with 0. 0 into minus 4 is equal to as. Suppose you know that any number multiplied by 0 is always equal to 0. So it is any number multiplied, even though it is a negative number, then also the answer is 0 itself. Example 11. Suppose plus 7 into 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Example 12. 0 into 0 is also equal to 0. So this is the rule where when 0 comes, any number multiplied by 0 is always equal to 0. So this is an important point you have to note down. Any integer multiplied by 0 is 0. So you have seen here some few examples. Any number or any integer multiplied by 0 is 0 itself. So this is multiplication of integers.